Welcome back everyone. So how you can forget your network, okay, Wi-Fi network. So how you can do that in Windows, okay. So search the settings and open the settings. When you open the settings, you can see in the left hand side internet and network option, okay, network and internet option. And here you can see the Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi first icon, okay. This is the Wi-Fi first icon, so you have to click on it, okay. When you click on it, there are some options: Wi-Fi versus properties. Versus is my SS Wi-Fi network name, okay. So this one, okay. So available networks, okay. And this one, this is a manage known network, okay. Click on manage known network, and now you can see we have connected how many SSI Wi-Fi we have already connected. So this one is our, and just like I want to forget this one, okay. So I click on forgot and it's gone, okay. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.